Hello, soul friends. You have joined me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for your solar chakra reading. It's a little mini reading I do. I do a different themed chakra every day of the week. So this one will be actually a 3-card spread. We will have a card accompanying us from an earth chakra and a higher realms chakra to help us evolve and enlighten our solar chakra. So first, for the solar position, and our question as well will be, how can self-respect and self-compassion make me aware that I am the master of my universe? So for this position, we are going to take a card from the Earth Warriors Oracle, and we have Blessing of Kumu. No good thing shall be withheld. Resources are coming to you now. If you have been in lack, limitation, or anxiety about such things happening, relax and substitute your stress for absolute trust that the universe will provide all good things with generosity and grace. If you find this is challenging, take it one step at a time, reprogramming your heart and mind into new habits of peaceful trust. It will feel much better to live like this. It is not foolishness, but wisdom that embraces such unconditional faith. Know that the provision of all resources required is a certainty. The only variables are the details of how the journey unfolds. When you tune into your heart, you'll remember that you are loved, protected, and guided in every moment. Trust the universe. It is time to adjust your belief system to encompass this entire universe as your creative partner in life. It provides you with resources, opportunities, and learning experiences to gain precious information and life skills so that you are singularly and completely equipped to do what you have come to this planet to do. Kumu, the great wisdom teacher, guides you now. Don't allow your mind to create visions of poverty or lack, of failure or absence of support. Focus instead upon the sweet generosity of the universe lovingly providing for you, often in advance of you consciously realizing what you need, with all that is necessary for your best life and fulfillment of your sacred purpose. All the answers, the connections, the resources, everything that you need is right there for you at the best moment. So from the inner earth cities chakra, we will have a card from the Crystal Grid Oracle, and it is Balance Shaman Stones. Shaman stones come in pairs, the female being the smooth stone and the male having protrusions. They are incredibly grounding stones that lead themselves to clearing emotions and dissolving blockages within the lower chakras, to align and balance the male or female aspect within yourself. In this spread, both are joined, but the masculine is giving its strength to the feminine. It is very easy for females to try and take on the masculine role. Sometimes it is a necessity to get through life. But remember to nurture the feminine qualities you have. Everything needs balance in this world. Like the yin and yang, each quality needs its equal but opposite partner. If you are feeling out of balance, holding a stone in each hand can bring you your balance back and help you find your center again. Shaman stones, as the name suggests, are used by shamans to ground or anchor them to the earth when they journey, among many other uses. They are highly protective. As their makeup suggests, they are strong iron or rock, surrounding a soft inner core of sandstone, making them excellent stones for protection. And from the higher realms, we are going to take a card from the Blue Messiah reading deck. This will be representing our spirit, our soul star chakra. We have life purpose. When the flower blooms, the bees come uninvited. Each soul unfolds in divine time to their own inner truth, power, and limitless creative potential. Just as you cannot force a flower to bloom when it is not ready, so too can you not force a soul to unfold to their creative light and magnificence when they are not ready. Dear one, this wisdom of who you are and why you are here is found in your heart. To reach this place of innate wisdom and understanding of self is to first clear the channel between heart and mind. Breaking through walls of fear will enable that clarity of self to flow through. This wisdom may come through synchronistic encounters that nudge you to try new creative endeavors, or even through the feeling of an ignited heart wishing to suddenly explore. However this revelation of self comes to you, it will come, and the truth of who you are and why you are here will be yours. Your heart is your guiding compass, dear one. Allow your inner compass to guide your way with love. I am living my life purpose by doing what I love and then sharing that love with others. Yes. I really enjoyed this little spread. Thank you so much for being here for this reading, and please join me again. I will be doing the heart chakra tomorrow.